It's me, Paige.
And me, Zoya.
And today we are going to make fluffy slime. Today, for the ingredients, you will need a bowl, school glue or whatever glue, soap, lotion, shaving cream, and borax. So, let's get started. Now we are going to be taking the cap off the glue and we're going to put the glue inside the bowl. The whole bottle. We are going to put 3 to 4 pumps of soap. Because the bottle of glue that we were using are so small, we're going to be using 2. And next, we are going to be using shaving cream. The more fluffy you want, the more shaving cream you want, but you don't need to overload it with shaving cream or it will get bad at it.
Yeah.
Okay, we are done with the shaving cream, and now we are going to take lotion, whatever type of lotion you want, and you will get 3 to 4 pumps of lotion. 1, 2, you need to do the borax solution, 1 cup of hot water, and a half a teaspoon of borax, and you mix that together until fully dissolved. Then after, you're going to pour a little bit at a time into everything that you put in the bowl, not all at once, because if you do it all at once, it could ruin the whole slime. So me and Zoya are going to be taking turns. Ready? And while you're doing this, you should mix. We are done with our slime, and this is how it looks. And it's kind of sticky, but that is okay. And so now we forgot to say this is optional, but you could use whatever it's called, food coloring, and it will make it a color. So that's optional. So we're gonna put in some food coloring. So we have finished our slime. We did do yellow, but we decided to add some blue so it could have a greenish yellow effect. So you can't really see the yellow on the camera, but it is a yellowish greenish.
Yes.
So bye everybody. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and we'll see you next video. Bye.